Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Once again, it is, I was going to say nighttime, it's 5:15, but that means here in Ottawa it is dark out, so I apologize for the lighting not being the greatest, but it is Friday after work, and for the second week in a row, I came home and had a subscription box waiting for me, and this time it was my Boxycharm Premium. This big sucker right here, although I will say it's quite light for the size of it. And I thought, once again, what a great way to start my weekend with a little gift that I bought for myself. So, although in this video I am going to be comparing Boxycharm Premium to regular Boxycharm, this is going to be an unboxing of the Boxycharm Premium. If you want to watch my unboxing of regular Boxycharm, which I did 1 week ago, I'll put the link to that down below in the description box. But once I finish opening my Boxycharm Premium, I will talk a little bit about what I got in my Boxycharm. So if you don't want to be spoiled on it, I just wanted to let you know about that. So I got both of these because I kind of didn't really understand what was going on between Boxycharm, BoxyLuxe, Boxycharm Premium. I kind of thought that by signing up for Boxycharm Premium, they were going to switch my Boxycharm over to that, and it wasn't. They don't do the best job of explaining about like what charges and stuff are coming through. So I noticed when I was charged for two things on at the start of the month that I was getting both boxes, and I don't mind doing that if the products are good in both boxes, if they're things that I can review on my channel. But just in the interest of giving you all of the info, because they raised the price of regular Boxycharm a little bit, let me just tell you the prices here in Canada in Canadian dollars for both of the subscription boxes. So regular Boxycharm this month came to $40.58 Canadian, and Boxycharm Premium came to $54.04 Canadian. So a $15 difference between them, and those are the Canadian prices, shipping and everything included in that. So I've talked enough, let me get this open. Not that I'm still not going to be talking, but let's start seeing some products. So I believe that Boxycharm Premium is supposed to be 7 full-size products. Sorry, I am going to talk a little bit more before I open it, whereas regular Boxycharm is 5 full-size products. So just to do a little math here, regular Boxycharm, because I pay about $40 Canadian for 5 full-size items, it ends up being about $8 per item. For Boxycharm Premium, because it's $54 Canadian, it ends up being $7.70 per item. So if you actually like all the items in the box, it does end up being a better deal to get Boxycharm Premium, at least in Canadian dollars. There we go. Hello Charmer, it always says that. Oh, and it's blue inside this one, whereas the other one was pink, and we've got some real bubble wrap going on here. I'm going to try not to look, but because this is a large box, I'm going to put it off to the side and reach in and grab things. And the first thing I'm grabbing is a box. This is Kopari brand, which I've never heard of before. Coconut Rose Toner, Refresh and Balance. It's a sulfate-free, silicone-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free product. It is vegan, cruelty-free. What does it do? With a quick spritz, this refreshing rose toner tightens pores and restores skin's natural balance. After cleansing, spritz onto clean face or use as a midday refresh, fit to favor all skin types. Okay, that's awesome. I like these kinds of things. I have been testing out a lot of skincare lately. Next week on my channel, you'll be seeing some of that, a couple of skincare things, and then probably in the next couple of weeks after that, a few more. I've been doing some long-term testing. So I try to sort of cycle through different products so that I give things time to work and also find out what is causing what to happen with my face. It is beautiful packaging, and let's just take a look at what it looks like. Ooh. So that is a really neat bottle. So I know to look at it, sorry, it's a little washed out because it's so dark in here. I have the lights turned up. So it's a plastic bottle, but this pink part down the bottom is like silicone. It has a strong scent that smells almost more fruity than rose. I'll also be interested in doing some research on this brand that I've never heard of before. Okay, so that product I like. What's this? It's a little pot. This is from QMS. I don't think I've heard of them either. It is an intensive eye cream, day and night eye cream. Okay, I have a lot of eye creams to test. This is sort of the third one I'm lined up for. So, I mean, I always like getting eye creams because I always feel like I should be using eye creams, but I hate paying for eye creams because they're always so expensive. So, hey, I am always happy to get eye cream. And I bet that's going to be pricier than I expect it is. What is this? This feels weird. Okay, it is a brush set. We get a lot of brushes from Boxycharm, but these are a little different. So they come in a little silicone snappable baggie, which would be really great for traveling with, actually. And these are, they're interesting. They're labeled Boxycharms. They're Boxycharm brushes. And they are very cylindrical, like dense brushes and super soft. So my favorite way of applying foundation is actually with a flat paddle brush. These are also very pokey. So I'm wondering if this will also be really good for applying foundation. And this could be good for like concealer. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see what they sort of list these as being. And then there's, this one looks a little awkward. It's like a flat brush, but it's got pieces that stick out from it. I don't know about that. And then that's just fluffy. They look a little gimmicky. So, I mean, I'm happy that the brushes we got are not brushes that I have a ton of already, but I'll be interested to see how they describe these and what they're supposed to be used for, because there isn't any labeling on it other than Boxycharm. So it doesn't say like face powder brush or eyeshadow blender. So we will see. Okay, something flat. Oh my God, it's a Natasha Denona palette. A blush and glow palette. Ooh, okay. I know some people are gonna be excited about this because Natasha Denona, oof, that's the price of the box right there, I'm sure. So this is pretty. I mean, it's a plasticky palette, but it's sort of a pinky orange. Interesting. So I feel like I've seen products like this from Natasha Denona reviewed before. So it's good the way this is laid out. So you have the blush side and the glow side, but up here it's a cream product. And so you lift this up to get at the cream so that you can keep the powder from getting into the cream. It sort of stays covered. And then you have the Glow Extreme, the Glow Cream Base, the Cream Blush, and the Duo Glow. That cream blush looks like an intense color. I have never played with Natasha Denona products at all before. I'm not usually a like brand kind of person, but I'm kind of excited that this is Natasha Denona. And every time I think of Natasha Denona now, or say that term, I think of a Kimberly Clark anti-haul, I believe it was, where she referred to it as Natasha Denono because of how freaking expensive and crazy expensive all of her products are. Okay, I am totally excited about that. What else do we have? This feels like, what does this feel like? Ooh, Becca Glow Gloss. Champagne Cream. So, what is this exactly? Illuminate your lips with a Luxe Conditioning Lip Color. So it's a lip gloss, which I love. I mean, this is really pretty looking. It's a champagne, almost looks like a little test tube being rounded at the bottom, and that nice silver. Ooh, I love lip glosses. Oh. That does not have the nicest smell to it. It smells a little like plasticky. Yeah. Here. It feels nice enough. Awesome. So there should be a couple more items. Here's another tubey kind of thing. Dragoon Beauty. Okay, so Nikita Dragoon. Shake well before using. It's a Dragoon Fire. Do you say dragon or dragoon? Skin Perfecting Potion. So is it like a primer? Let's take a look. Sorry, I guess I should show you guys. That's the box. Huh, what? This looks like a, I mean, this looks like a lip product, right? Dragonfire Skin Perfecting Potion. Like, I'm gonna have to see what they say about this because to me that looks like, I mean, it's gonna have a doe foot. This has to be like, again, not a like scented scent. That has to be a lip product, right? Okay, should there be one more product? Was I wrong? Is it only 6 products? In which case, 6 products? Okay, so I was wrong. It is 6 products, which means it ends up being $9 per item. So regular Boxycharm is actually the better value per item. But let's see what these products are because I'm a little confused about a couple of them. So the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow Palette, its sales price is $55 and that's American. So probably here in Canada, it would be like $70. So that's the price of your box right there. The QMS Medicosmetics eye cream is $150. I mean, I said that was gonna be, how small is this? Just over half an ounce. It's 0.57 fluid ounces. And you're telling me this is a 150 US product, so almost 200 Canadian? Like, this thing better make magic happen. That's bonkers. The Coconut Rose Toner is $25. It can be used as a face primer, a setting spray, and a quick refresh throughout the day. Dragoon Beauty. Okay, tell me what this is. Personally formulated by the Mother of Dragons, Dragonfire works well on all skin tones and helps to conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. Infused with light reflecting mattifying powers to brighten and blur, this formula diffuses imperfections to create a photo-filtered fantasy. Saturate it with vitamin E and vitamin A, Dragonfire blends effortlessly and offers a fully customizable light to full coverage. I'm sorry, is it not orange? We'll get back to that in a moment. The Boxycharm 5-piece set of brushes, it's supposed to be $65. It's a 5-piece set that was created to help you achieve a flawless look, ideal for precise placement and seamless blending for all your go-to beauty products. These oval-shaped and ultra-soft luxury brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. It doesn't tell me what they're supposed to be used for because some of them are a little odd. And finally, the Becca Glow Gloss. It's $22, and it's a gloss. Okay, let's swatch this and see what in the heck is happening. I'm sorry, that's gotta be a lipstick. This is not a concealer or skin perfector at all, unless, like, I don't get it. Let me Google for a sec. I mean, yeah, I guess it's supposed to, like, neutralize, and then you go over it with, like, your regular concealer. I'm gonna have to research that a little bit more, and also I'm gonna have to wash my hands really well after this. So if we compare that to my regular Boxycharm, the items that I got in my regular Boxycharm were a Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, Juice Beauty anti-wrinkle eye treatment, Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick, a sort of self-heating skin mask or eye mask, and a Farsali Gold skin mist. So on average, I mean, there were some things in here that were around like the $22 mark, but on average, the things in my Boxycharm Premium were sort of a higher price point than those in my regular Boxycharm. I guess the question is, if you are somebody who, I mean, I heard a lot of people say that I got totally different items in my Boxycharm than they got. So if you are getting regular Boxycharm and not Boxycharm Premium, are you getting some of these items in your regular Boxycharm, in which case maybe the better value is to go for regular Boxycharm? Or are you getting like, are you only getting these items like the Natasha Denona palette, like that crazy eye cream or whatever else, if you have Boxycharm Premium? I'm going to have to watch some other videos. I haven't really done my research because I didn't want to be spoiled on anything. God, this is so weird. But I'd like to hear from you guys as well. I mean, you guys really seem to have some great information about Boxycharm and sort of more information behind it than I did. So let me know what you know. I will continue to do my research. I'm going to keep getting both boxes for now. I know next month is going to be expensive because my Boxycharm regular will become Boxy Luxe, and then I'll also get Boxycharm Premium, but I'm interested in kind of comparing and contrasting what the products are that I get in each. I think I said this in my last video. If anything, I may not get Ipsy because I find the value is better for Boxycharm, getting full size rather than samples. Yeah, okay, I have lots of products to play with, so many products to play with. If you guys like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for me. I look forward to seeing all of you in my next video. Bye!